Hi there! The purpose of this screencast is to help you get started with the Kraken WordPress plugin. At this stage, we assume that you've already installed our WordPress plugin by following the instructions available from our WordPress plugin page on WordPress.org. We also assume that you've registered for a Kraken account and have an active subscription. Once you've completed the steps necessary to successfully install the Kraken WordPress plugin, the first thing you need to do is visit the Kraken settings page. You can find it in the settings section of your WordPress blog's admin menu. You'll be presented with a number of options, the explanations for which can be found on the page itself. The most important ones, which will need to be filled out in order to begin using the plugin, are at the very top: the API key and secret. Those must be filled out in order for the plugin to function, since this is how Kraken can identify that you have a valid account. We recommend leaving the other settings at their default values. We picked those default values as we believe those to be the optimal settings for most WordPress installations. Feel free to change any of the settings to suit your needs. You can find your API credentials from within your Kraken account by clicking on API Credentials on the left menu, which is the second item from the top right under Account Overview. Simply copy and paste the IP key and secret into their respective text inputs at the top of the Kraken WordPress plugin settings page. Then scroll down and click on Save. Once the page is refreshed, the third item from the top labeled API Status should now say your credentials are valid. Now, any images you upload through your media uploader will be automatically optimized on the fly. If you wish to optimize your existing images, you can either optimize them one by one, or one page at a time, or several images at a time. Whichever option you choose, you'll need to switch your media library from the default thumbnail view to the list view, using the toggle icon found at the top left of the client area as shown. Now, in each row where there's an image present, you will see an Optimize this image button. Clicking on the button will do exactly what it says: optimize that image, as well as its generated thumbnails. Once the optimization has completed, the button will be replaced by summary statistics of the optimization, as well as a button labeled Show Details, which will display extended information about the optimization. If you'd prefer to optimize an entire page at a time or multiple images in one go, check the images you're interested in as shown. Then, from the drop-down menu labeled Bulk Actions near the top, select Crack 'em All and click on Apply. You will be presented with a dialog box shown, which displays a summary of the images you've selected for optimization. From here, you can also conveniently toggle the optimization mode in case you wish to use a mode other than that which you have chosen from the Kraken settings page. To start the optimization, simply click on the blue button at the bottom of the dialog, and the optimization process will start and run through to completion. Once you've optimized your backlog of images, no further action is required. While your Kraken account remains active, all new image uploads will be automatically optimized. Now you're set, and your users will enjoy a smoother and speedier experience when viewing your WordPress blog. If you need any assistance, you can get in touch with us at any time by sending us an email to support@kraken.io, or you can send a tweet to @KrakenIO.